you must be Manjoo. I've heard so much about you.
Sorry, foodie? I don't understand this word.
I love hiking, reading. I'm super into thrillers right now. And I've recently gotten into pottery.
Build it and they will come? This is a sentence from a movie? I didn't understand this reference. Yes, the idioms are killing me. Wait, sorry. Such a vibe? What does this mean exactly?
Welcome to Daily English. Hey, you must be Manjoo. I've heard so much about you.
Yes, hello. I am very pleased to meet you. My friend Sarah, she told me a lot about you also.
Don't worry. And likewise, she said you're a total foodie. Is that true?
Sorry, foodie? I don't understand this word. What is meaning?
Oh, sorry. A foodie is someone who really loves food. Like you enjoy trying new restaurants and cuisines. Is that you?
Oh, yes. Absolutely. I am very passionate about foods. I cook every day, and I like to taste different countries' foods.
That's awesome. I love that. Okay, so what do you do for work? Sarah was a little vague about that.
I am working in the IT sector. I make softwares for small companies. And you? What is your job field?
Oh, nice. I'm actually in marketing. Mostly social media stuff. Nothing as technical as what you do.
Marketing is also very important. You know, without good marketing, even the best product can die in the market. I believe this strongly.
That's literally what I tell my clients. Build it and they will come is a total myth.
Build it and they will come? This is a sentence from a movie? I didn't understand this reference.
Yes, it's from an old movie, Field of Dreams. But now people use it sarcastically to mean just because you make something great doesn't mean people will automatically find it. You have to promote it.
Ah, I understand now. Yes, very true. So, do you live in this area for a long time?
Pretty much. I grew up about 20 minutes from here. What about you? Are you new to the city?
Yes, I came here about 8 months before. I am still discovering the city, honestly.
Oh, you're still pretty new then. Do you like it so far? Is it what you expected?
Honestly, yes and no. The city is beautiful, but I feel sometimes lonely. Making friends here is, how to say, not easy as I thought.
Oh, I totally get that. It's harder than people think, especially as an adult. But hey, that's literally why Sarah set this up.
Yes, Sarah is a very kind person. By the way, can I ask what you do in your free times? Like hobbies?
I love hiking, reading. I'm super into thrillers right now. And I've recently gotten into pottery. Which sounds very random, I know.
Pottery? Like making pots from clay? That is a very interesting hobby. Not many persons do this nowadays.
Exactly. It's such a vibe, though. Very meditative. You should try it sometime. What about you? Do you have any hobbies outside of cooking?
Wait, sorry. Such a vibe? What does this mean exactly? I hear this word vibe everywhere, but I'm not 100% sure of the meaning.
Good question. Vibe means like a feeling or atmosphere. Such a vibe means it gives off a really good, chill feeling. Like The energy of it is great.
Ah, okay. Like in my language, we say hava dadi, the feeling in the air. Very similar. For hobbies, I play chess, and also I like to make long walking on weekends.
Oh, that's so cool. I hike on weekends too. We should go sometime. There's a great trail about 30 minutes from here.
I would very like that. You know, when Sarah told me about you, she said, "You two will hit it off." I now understand what she meant.
Right? She really does know us both well. Okay, totally different question. Do you have any pet peeves?
Pet peeves? I know pet like animal and peeve. I don't know this word. Is this about animals?
No. A pet peeve is something small that really annoys you. Like for me, it's when people chew loudly. Nothing to do with animals.
Oh, yes, I have one. When peoples don't return shopping carts back to their place. This make me crazy.
Oh my god, same. That is such a valid pet peeve. There's literally a whole debate about it online. Some people say it's the ultimate test of character.
100% agree. Okay, can I say something? My English sometimes confuse people, so if I say something strange, please tell me directly. I want to learn.
Of course. Honestly, your English is really impressive, and that takes guts to say. I'll totally help if something comes up. No judgment at all.
Thank you. You said takes guts. I think this means something needs courage, like brave.
Exactly right. Takes guts means it requires bravery or courage. You're already picking up on idioms. That's honestly the hardest part of learning English.
Yes, the idioms are killing me. Every day I learn 5 new ones and forget 3 of them by night.
The idioms are killing me. See? You used one perfectly. That's a great sign. You probably know more than you think.
Maybe. Hey, I wanted to ask, are you free this coming Saturday? There is a food festival in downtown. I was going to go alone, but company is better, no?
Oh, that sounds amazing. I actually saw that advertised. I'm in. Consider it a date.
Wait, consider it a date. You mean a romantic date or just meeting? I want to understand clearly.
Oh gosh, sorry, that was a bit ambiguous. Consider it a date just means it's happening. It's confirmed. Like, we're locked in. But, I mean, we just met, so.
I understand. I was just making sure. In my culture, when someone says date, you have to be very careful. But yes, it is locked in.
Fair enough. English can be so confusing like that. One word, a million meanings. This was honestly really fun, Manjoo. I'm glad Sarah played matchmaker.
Me too. I was nervous before coming here. I thought maybe it will be awkward because of my English, but you made it very comfortable.
Aw, you totally held your own. All right, I have to head out soon, but let's swap numbers. Saturday Food Festival, 12 o'clock?
Perfect. Held your own. I think this means I did okay, even in difficult situation.
Exactly right. You held your own means you handled yourself well under pressure. And you absolutely did. See you Saturday, Manjoo.
See you Saturday. And Moti, thank you for your patience. You are, what is the word? Very down to earth.
You used that one perfectly. See? You're a natural. Take care.